A day after South Korea saw Black Monday, the country's two major stocks plunged further. This is mainly due to worsening trade tensions. Hong Yu help us look beyond the digits.
In Tuesday's session, South Korea's benchmark KOSPI closed at 1,917.5, down more than 1.5% from Monday's closing. This is the lowest closing since early 2016. The KOSPI had opened even lower at 1,900 after a big overnight fall, and it recovered during the session only slightly. Analysts pointed to all the external factors, including investors' concerns over escalating trade tensions between China and the U.S., a Fed rate cut that was less aggressive than some hoped for, and Japan's removing South Korea from its whitelist of trading partners.
I would say the most direct cause of such instability is the fall in the yuan following U.S. President Donald Trump's vow to impose additional tariffs on Chinese goods. As a result, fears that the trade negotiations between the two countries might not resume in the near future turned investors away.
The analyst added that in times like this, investors turn to safe havens like gold. On Monday local time, gold prices closed at around $1,464 an ounce, up 1.3%, the highest in 6 years. Korea's tech-heavy junior index, the KOSDAK, which yesterday lost almost 7.5%, closed at around 551.5, down another 3.2%. It was the lowest close since the very end of 2014. Another analyst predicts the global stock market will start to stabilize from mid-August.
We need to pay attention to the Beidaihe conference that is taking place this week because it was in this meeting that China started talks on trade tensions with the U.S. actively last year. Beijing saw trade talks with Washington after this meeting last summer, which boosted global stocks.
Meanwhile, the Korean currency closed at around 1,215 won against the U.S. dollar, unchanged from the day before. Hong Yu, Arirang News.